The wheels are designed to be easy to put on and take off, and although the instructions might seem a little bit daunting, it really is easier than it looks. Simply insert the wheel, tighten it, I'm going to hold this down while you tighten at the top, and then close it right here. For the front wheel, you just want to drop it in and tighten the sides again. And then you'll close it right here. Let's take a look at the Bob Revolution SE. To unfold it, you're going to unclip down here. Lock it into place like that. The front wheel can be locked into place, or you can slide this up and push it over, and then it's free to swivel. The canopy on this Bob is great. It's going to give you a lot of sun protection. There's also a flap here that you can lift up so you can look in and check on your child. There's a large storage basket at the bottom. Plenty of room to toss in extra snacks for the kids or your diaper bag or whatever else you might need to take along with you. The brake is easy to set and release. Simply push down here to set it, and then to release it, just pop it up. Of course, you don't want your stroller to get away from you while you're jogging, so there's this tether strap here to keep your child safe. If your child falls asleep while you're strolling, it's very easy to adjust the recline. On both sides, you're just going to pull out right here. And on this side as well. There's a front view of the recline. To collapse the stroller, simply squeeze these two levers, lift forward. The stroller will look like this. You want to grab this red handle, pull it up, and then the last step is to grab this strap and buckle it to the bottom. Now if you have a smaller car, you can also take the wheels off to fit it in even easier.